could be updating your mobile banking app. So for that, on your Android, tap on Play Store. Now from the search bar, search for PNC Mobile Banking App. Once you tap on it, if you see an update button, make sure to tap on it. This way, your mobile banking app will be updated. For the second solution, you can try refreshing the page. For this, you have to close all the running app, including the PNC Mobile Banking app, and then relaunch it. This should also fix the issue. The third thing that you need to keep in mind is being connected to a strong Wi-Fi network. So for that, you can switch between the Wi-Fi or the data as well. If it does not work, you can also try to uninstall the application and install it again. For that, long press the app, tap on Uninstall App, visit the Play Store, and install it again. So, these were some of the solutions that you can try. That is all for today's video. For more such updated contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.